The other day, my wife and I, we were at Costco and we saw this little vacuum cleaner there. It's the Black & Decker Cordless Flex car vacuum. And it was pretty light feeling and it's pretty compact, and we have a small RV. It's just it's a Class B plus RV, so it's not real big. We have to be careful of what we decide to take with us for space reasons. So I bought her this, and let's just see what it's like. Knives are dangerous. Okay. Husky knife, Home Depot. Anyway, so in the box it says it had some attachments. It has a flex crevice tool, so you can get in between seats and stuff really good. A standard crevice tool. This is the pet brush. It's got those little rubber nubs on it. I guess like some of those mitts you can see in the pet stores for cleaning up hair off of cloth and stuff. The flip up tool, I think they called it. Flip up brush. So you can vacuum just like this, or if you want a little brush, you can go like that. So it's kind of two tools in one. This is really the best part of it too, is you don't need a big charging station. Our other cordless vac has a big base you have to put it in to charge it. This just plugs into the unit itself. Instruction catalog books. So there we go. It's got a little port right here, and it's a shape plug, so it looks like it goes in only one direction. Yeah, it just plugs in like that. You plug that into the wall. And it's got a, there we go, side reservoir where all the dirt gets caught initially. And there's something about, there's a button here. Let's see what happens if I push that button. Hey, here we go. Alright. Okay, there's how you get to the inside filter. So that comes out and you can wash it. That goes back in. Let's see. It came apart pretty easy. There we go. Okay. So that's that. And then you can set this down on the floor, it looks like, and use a little brush this way, or it plugs back in here. And then that way you can use it like this. And let's see. And maybe the battery might have a little charge on it. Let's just see. A little bit of a charge on it. Let's just see. It's got some suction to it. We'll have to try it out on some dirt later in the van. It's kind of late right now at night, but it's nice. It's compact. It's really pretty light. So I think my wife's gonna like it. Yeah, the best gift to buy your wife: a vacuum cleaner. Not really, but hey. Anyway, thanks for watching.